I think there's one more, Katie.
One more what?
One more song after this. Because I really don't think that Whitney Houston was the last one.
I think they would.
It's the same exact track every year, but we still don't remember.
That is true. That's pretty bad.
But it's all the right songs. Like, you don't really need to change them.
Yeah. Why don't we do fireworks for this? This is really messing with my eyes. All the different colors. They're recharging.
Here we go.
Golly!